In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply same transition for all clips in CapCut. If you've ever spent time adding the same transition over and over between every cut, this will save you a ton of clicks and give your edit a consistent, polished flow. First, open CapCut and head into the project you want to work on. You can start a new project or open an existing draft. The process is the same. Make sure you're in the main editor where you can see the timeline at the bottom and the preview up top. Next, add your videos to the timeline. Bring in all the clips you plan to use and arrange them in the order you want. Transitions live at the cuts between clips, so it helps to place everything on the same video track and tighten any gaps. While you're here, do a quick pass to trim the start and end of each clip so the timing feels right. Clean cuts make transitions look more natural. Now, click the transition area between two clips to open CapCut's transition options. You'll see a library of styles like fades, wipes, and zooms. Choose one that matches the mood of your video. Simple options like cross-dissolve or fade often work well for a cohesive look. Before you apply it everywhere, adjust the duration to taste in the settings. A shorter duration keeps the pace energetic. A slightly longer one can feel smoother and more cinematic. Use the preview to confirm it feels right on that single cut. With that transition selected and tuned, look to the right panel and click Apply to All. CapCut will automatically apply the same transition with the same settings to every eligible cut in your timeline. This is the fastest way to keep consistency without manually repeating steps. If you change your mind, you can tweak the duration or pick a different transition and click Apply to All again to update everything at once. Give the timeline a quick playthrough to confirm the flow. Watch for sections where a transition might not be necessary, like a hard cut for emphasis. You can always remove it at specific cuts afterward without affecting the rest. And remember, consistency is key. One well-chosen transition used throughout often looks cleaner than mixing too many styles. That's it. You've applied the same transition across all your clips in CapCut quickly and cleanly.